Welcome, seekers of abundance and prosperity. Are you ready to unlock the divine center, the gateway to abundant flow in your life? If you are, then you've come to the perfect place. In this transformative video, we will delve into the secrets of unlocking the divine center for abundant flow and prosperity. Drawing upon the timeless teachings of the legendary Neville Goddard, we will embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Together, we will explore powerful techniques to gain clarity through self-awareness and living in the divine center. But it doesn't end there. We will delve into the art of recognizing and seizing opportunities while remaining open. Discover how to harness the power of imagination to unlock life's infinite possibilities. We will even shine a light on conducting sales calls with divine consciousness, creating genuine connections rooted in abundance and love. And if that's not enough, we'll show you how to unlock your creative flow through the practice of active meditation. We will explore the pivotal role of an abundance mindset in achieving your personal goals. Learn how to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to step into a life filled with prosperity and abundance. So, if you're ready to unlock the divine center for abundant flow and prosperity, I invite you to join me on this transformative journey. Together, we will tap into the unlimited potential within ourselves and manifest a life of abundance beyond our wildest dreams. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Practicing awareness of our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions can reveal the path we take in life. As James Allen once said, the secret to an abundant life is to find the divine center within oneself and live from it. This is true, as remaining aware allows us to accept, change, or do something different when it comes to each experience we have. When we remain centered in this way, it provides clarity for realizing our vision and purifying our minds by releasing beliefs that are not true to who we desire to be. Entering a flow state means having unfiltered mental access to infinite intelligence, enabling us to turn challenges into opportunities. When we are connected through consciousness, all things become possible because God is everywhere, including inside ourselves. If we pause long enough, we can feel its presence. We can learn spiritual ideas through information as well as personal experiences, such as Neville Goddard's law of assumption or visualization techniques like affirmations and other methods associated with the law of attraction. If we allow ourselves time each day, these practices will become second nature, enabling us to access abundance more readily than ever before. Have you ever heard the story of the acres of diamonds? It's an inspiring speech written by Russell Conwell in 1869 while traveling. The story is about an African farmer who sold his farm in search of diamonds, only to later discover that his own farm was full of them. This story serves as a reminder to stay open and aware of all potential opportunities within reach. At its core, this adventure is about uncovering the abundance and prosperity that lies within all of us. It encourages us to stay focused on our goals without overlooking potential successes or giving up too soon due to external factors. With this in mind, we must remember not just to look internally for answers and revelations, but also maintain openness from an external perspective so as not to miss out on unique opportunities presented to us each day. The lesson from Acres of Diamonds goes beyond simply recognizing opportunity. It also helps unlock our divine center for abundant flow and prosperity. Following the teachings of Neville Goddard, we can use tools such as visualization and affirmations combined with abiding by the law of assumption and law of attraction principles, which help create a powerful space for manifestation. By remaining oriented toward our vision with spiritual understanding, we can uncover more acres of diamonds than ever before. This story is a reminder that all we need to reach our goals is already within us. This concept is what Neville Goddard calls prosperity consciousness, and it involves recognizing the resources, energy, and opportunities available in one's own mind. Prosperity consciousness comes from understanding the light within. This is an ancient concept that allows for the recognition and acceptance of infinite opportunities present in any environment. It means that no matter what happens outside of us, we are always connected to an inner source of power and potential. We have all we need inside us at every moment. To access this source of power more easily, Neville Goddard suggests creating a garden of your mind as a place where diamonds can be found in abundance if planted consciously. Planting these diamonds means visualizing our desires into reality with law of assumption techniques, such as affirmations or visualization exercises. This way, we can stand beyond appearances, knowing our dreams are already within reach. So why wait? Unlock your dreams today with prosperity consciousness and start planting the diamonds in your garden of your mind. Unleashing the power of your imagination can open a world of life opportunities and abundant flow in your life. It is the key to unlocking the divine center for prosperity and abundance. Neville Goddard believed that accessing this unseen power within our mind and spirit would manifest as physical opportunities. Through visualization techniques, affirmations, and positive thoughts, we can give reality to our imaginal cause in mind. By living from our divine center and being mindful, these diamonds of opportunity effortlessly appear with grace, beauty, and ease. In Prentice Mulford's book, The God in You, it is stated that every thought has real existence. So, what kind of life are you making for yourself now? Are you living in lack and fear, or do you feel empowered by all that is around you? Acknowledging acres of diamonds reminds us that immense power is available to us at any given moment when we tap into it through imagination. Let's utilize imagination to unlock endless possibilities. Active meditation is a practice that allows our minds to naturally flow, stimulating creativity and ideas. Instead of mentally fighting distractions or any other flow restrictors, we should redirect our focus back to the task at hand with lightheartedness. This practice helps reduce unnecessary force and worry, allowing us to access the divine energy within ourselves that can help us create an abundant life. Active meditation can also reveal how we currently relate to those around us, such as relationships. We can transform any obstacles into opportunities by imagining them in relation to our vision, from which the ways and hows of changes emerge spontaneously. This is based on Neville Goddard's law of assumption, which states that when we assume something, such as an experience or outcome, it becomes true for us if we believe it deeply enough. Visualization and affirmations are also helpful tools for active meditation because they help focus on what we want rather than what we don't want, while affirming its truth until it manifests into reality. By embracing this form of active meditation, one can experience a shift from stagnant thinking towards creative flow, where abundance and prosperity become effortless realities. It allows you to access this ideal state and find success by understanding how to create a balance between what's inside and outside yourself, allowing energy to flow freely. Thank you, my fellow seekers of abundance and prosperity, for joining me on this enlightening journey to unlock the divine center, the gateway to abundant flow in your life. I hope you found these transformative techniques and insights truly empowering. As we conclude this video, I want to express my deepest appreciation for your support and engagement. Your presence here is a testament to your commitment to personal growth and your desire to live a life filled with abundance. If you found this video valuable and insightful, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified of future videos where we continue to explore and unlock the secrets to abundant flow and prosperity. And before we part ways, I want to extend my heartfelt blessings to each and every one of you. May your journey towards the divine center be filled with love, joy, and abundant blessings.